Hey there, all you amazing Arkansas educators. I'm Courtney Cochran, the 2017 Arkansas Teacher of the Year, and I just wanted to take a minute to send you a quick message about an incredible once-in-a-lifetime opportunity just for educators in our state. On June 4th, the National Teacher of the Year, Sydney Chaffee, is coming to Little Rock, Arkansas to Ron Robinson Auditorium to talk to us about culturally responsive teaching and how it helps us be more student-focused and how it improves student learning outcomes and just generally makes our jobs easier and more enjoyable. I don't know if you know this about Sydney, but she's a national board certified teacher. She has her master's in education, and she teaches in a school where 99% of the students are students of color. So she has an immense amount of knowledge on this topic. She's an incredible resource for us. I can't wait to learn from her. We'll also have plenty of time to network with each other, to connect with teachers from all across the state of Arkansas, which we know is essential for changing the story of education in Arkansas. Teachers are the experts on education, and we just need time to share our ideas. So this will give us the space to do exactly that. Check out the link, reserve your tickets, do it now, don't wait. And Sydney and I can't wait to see you in June.